Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all well. Today I'm going to talk to you about English language. Somebody is saying I don't know English. No problem, bro. You don't know English. No problem. You know Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. You know other language. Yes, you can do the everything without no English, yeah. Eh? Why are you run the behind of the English language? English is a language that not knowledge, bro. The simple, the very simple. If you know the English, then very good. But if you don't know English, that's also right. Okay, because English is not our native language. English is a foreign and the French language, bro. So if you know other language also, then you can also do the everything. All work you can do without English. Okay. But if you know the good English, then that's also very right because English, who is the language? If you know, then you can visit to the all world. Okay, all world. So English is a common language. All countries persons knows the English. So English is a helpful, very helpful language. I respect to the English word, the English word and the English language. I know also the English, but not perfectly. I don't know about grammar. What is the grammar? What is the vocabulary? Uh, which word I know, I can use that word, and that word also the proof. That word is the proof for me the very good and helpful. Okay, but if you want other stylish and you want to talk any the VIP persons, any VIP country, any VIP areas, you want to go there, then English that time the very important for you. So focus. So you can focus for the English for learn to English. If you can learn, okay, this language, then very well. Because English, when I was in the sixth standard class, that time I don't know the English, but now I can speak English. Not English, other language also I can speak now. So this is the very right. If you don't know English, then no problem. But the important, bro. But important. This also very important language. How many times I told you, if you don't know English, then no problem. But if you know the good English, then very well matter. But language doesn't matter, bro. I know English, but no use, bro. Only this language to prove for me. Only talking and understanding. That's it only. So that's it. Yeah.